Hello, here is a quick video of the new MXT-1.5 features, starting with multimodal AI summary. It means that basically we hear what is in the audio, but also look at what is inside the video to generate a summary. The value it creates is even if you do have plenty of rushes, without any audio, we're still being able to generate a summary for each file. The second thing we're introducing is called editorial sequencing. The way it works is we basically chapterize in an editorial way everything that's happening in the content. So for example, here we basically have all those shots that are regrouped into an editorial sequence because they were basically treating or were very close to each other. So of course you can browse to that very moment where you can actually watch Ginny Rometty, former CEO of IBM, talking about the data role in the competitive advantage on AI platform for business. The value it creates, it means that if you are a journalist, a producer, a social media manager, or content creator, you don't need to watch the same content again and again in repeat to actually understand the content and see what's happening inside. You can basically scroll through those sequences to actually understand and get a better knowledge of what's happening in your content. The other thing we're introducing are sound bites. Sound bites is the capacity to suggest relevant piece of speech that is in the content. So we basically process the transcription and try to extract what we think is relevant. And we do have, for example, this interesting quote still about Ginny Rometty explaining the investment, the amount of investment in Watson at IBM, and their impact. And the initial users of that feature, mostly journalists and producers, shared with us that it was basically giving them idea of stories they could illustrate. They didn't have time to watch all panels, for example, on Davos, which is the case here. So you basically have few interesting sound bites that you can build your story upon that. So of course, here you can basically start picking up sequences and sound bites that are interesting, then opening it and exporting it either to social media or to a nonlinear editor so you can build a new story out of it.